So you see all that bullshit right there? So they had signs up saying, honk if you stand with Ukraine. Most of those people out there probably do not know. They're never gonna know the fucking truth about what really is going on in Ukraine. Most of those people out there will never fucking know the truth. And a lot of people won't know the truth. But standing out there holding a sign, you know, people do whatever the fuck they want, but they will never know the fucking truth. They probably watch the news, right? They probably watch the fucking news to get the truth about Ukraine. The fucking news is not going to tell you the truth. That's for sure.